Paysera review, honest user experience and features for secure money transfers. Sending money across borders can be expensive and complicated, but Paysera claims to make it simple and affordable. So how well does it really work? Here's my honest experience using Paysera for international transfers and online payments. At its core, Paysera is an all-in-one financial platform offering a digital wallet, currency exchange and international transfers. Setting up an account is fast and identity verification is smooth through the app. Most people get this wrong. They assume Paysera is just another remittance service, but it's actually much more. You can hold multiple currencies, get a Paysera Visa card for global payments, and even send money instantly between Paysera users for free. The transfer fees are impressively low, especially for European transactions. Compared to traditional banks, I found savings of up to 80% on exchange rates. The app also displays transparent fees upfront, so there are no surprises. Security is top-notch. Paysera is licensed under EU regulations, uses two-factor authentication, and supports strong encryption. I felt completely safe managing funds through it. The only drawback? While it's fantastic in Europe, transfer options outside the EU can be limited, depending on the country. Overall, Paysera is a smart, secure, and affordable option for international money transfers and online spending. If you want flexibility without high fees, it's one of the best alternatives to traditional banking.